Hello, hello, my friends. Mila Marie, your tech princess here.
You guys, when I first saw this keyboard, I literally contacted my partner over at Yunzii and said, is this for real? Because I literally thought it was AI. I had never seen this green colorway on the C98 before, and I absolutely freaked out. And these shine-through cat ear keycaps, are you kidding me? Okay, let's unbox this baby. As always, Yunzii includes all the adorable accessories, the manual, stickers, keycap and switch puller, extra themed keycaps, and this adorable pink cat mouse pad. But then this braided green cable, OMG, I love little details like this. Yunzii really outdid themselves on this one. You also get extra milk switches and a dust cover. All right, let's take a listen. The sound is really nice. Milk switches are not my personal favorite, so I'll probably swap in candy switches later, but this board is leaps and bounds above them all in the cutie department, so that's no biggie. Can we just appreciate these keycaps for a second? Not only are they side printed, the cat ears shine through, and you still get the top printed legends. That is such a huge win. And look at the arrow keys. Little shine through paw prints? Are you kidding me? You've also got Yunzii's famous cake filling RGB all around and programmable software for lighting and macros. But the details don't stop there. You've got the adorable cattail silicone feet on the bottom and the hidden 2.4 gigahertz dongle shaped like a little fishtail. The attention to detail with Yunzii is absolutely immaculate. And paired with my smushy Yunzii C1 mouse, this setup seriously couldn't get any cuter. 10 out of 10.
Like, comment, and subscribe for more keyboard finds.